Hello everyone. In the previous video, we installed Ubuntu and Miniconda and created a dedicated Conda environment for MintPy. Now, in this video, we'll start installing the MintPy. So, MintPy, I've already explained in the previous videos. MintPy is one of the most widely used open source tool for InSAR time series analysis and also for the ground deformation monitoring. So, by the end of this video, we'll be installing the MintPy successfully, and then we'll get our system ready for the next steps of processing. So now let us start. Now, as we are already aware that we need to activate the MintPy environment. So we go for activate MintPy. See, here the base is replaced by MintPy. That means it indicates that MintPy environment is activated. So before proceeding, if you people haven't watched the other videos, you please go through those videos and then you'll understand like what I'm explaining about. So instead of installing any software globally, we install this software in a dedicated environment. So here we have made an environment called MintPy. So in this only, we are going to install our MintPy software. So first we need to go for Python. This is because you just need to know the version. So based on the version, when you are going for installation, you'll understand like what we are doing, in which compatibility is there. So for that, we need to check the version of the Python also. Now we'll just go to pip install MintPy. I've already explained you earlier about what is pip. Okay. So now, depending on the speed of your internet connection and the storage, this data will be downloaded and it will be installed. So you just have to wait for some time. So in the meantime, I'll explain you like this command allows to download the MintPy software and also the required dependencies from a Python package. So usually what happens when you are going for any installation of a software, you need to download the drivers and you need to download dependencies. So the same way, when you give the command pip install MintPy, it will automatically take the software itself and also the required dependencies. Like here, if you see H5PY, job lib, uh, fire sample, these are all the dependencies that are required for the successful running of MintPy. Even after the installation, sometimes what will happen, you'll have to uh, download some more, which you'll be seen in the prompt of the this Ubuntu. So now what has happened? The MintPy is installed, and it is also having some scientific libraries like NumPy, SciPy, uh, Matplot HDFI libraries, and also some geospatial processing tools. So we'll just have to see because this processing is all done. So if you want to check, you can go for baseline, small baseline app dot py minus h. See here, if MintPy is installed correctly, then we can see this help page. Okay, so this confirms the installation of MintPy. Now we just have to go for the MintPy version. MintPy. See, I have 1.6.2 version of MintPy installed. Okay, so when we are installing any software, if you find any kind of error, we just have to check those errors, what they are telling, and what is the reason behind it. So this is how I successfully installed MintPy 1.6.2 in my Ubuntu. You also try and please comment if you have any issues. Then I will try to rectify those things. So in this video, we have learned about how to install MintPy and verify the installation and we have also confirmed that MintPy commands are working fine. So in the next video, we will discuss about what is the interferogram stack H5, what is geometry geo.h5, what does MintPy need to process, and what is a typical project structure looks like. So please do watch the other videos and also the coming videos, so you will get a clear understanding of what I'm going to explain and what we are working on. Thank you for watching.